In the first video you saw that we had done the front end part. All right, so now we need to do some back end part. First let's click on all the buttons present, so that the back end for all the button is ready. Okay, so here we go. Fifth one, sixth one, seventh, eighth, this ninth, this 10th, then 11th, 12th. Actually the scene is that we created a button here, but the area in which we'll be writing the back end of that button is not created sometimes in the back end. Okay, so for that we just need to click on the buttons so that it identifies that, yeah, right now we'll be going for coding of that button. All right, so I guess till here it's okay. Later on we can continue with the rest of them. Okay, so if we start from the button of um, first let's start with the number button. Okay, so like just we need to create some, like let's begin with 0. So here is the code for 0 for button number 34. What we need to do, we need to write j text field, okay, 1 dot set text, and then j text field 1 dot get text. Okay, and then it will be adding 0 to this. So what we are doing here is just simply we are picking out what is the value already present there, and we'll be just adding 0 to that value present. Okay, so similarly this we can do for rest all the numbers present. Okay, so just go to the design part, click on 1, here it is for 1, control V, and then write here 1. All right, then design part, click on 2, and here we can write this and change with 2. Then for 3, here it is, and we'll write 3 here. Then for 4, control V, 4. Then for button number 5, okay, here control V, 5 design. Then for 6th, control V, 6th. Then for 7th, you do double click on the button. Okay, you don't just need to do single click. Once you do double click, the button will, the backend code of the button will be opened. 7th, then 8th, and then we can go on with 9th. Alright, so we are done with this part. So wait a minute, this is some extra part. I'll be removing it right now. I'll be commenting it, and later on I'll guide you guys how this was done. Okay, so this function just now we'll just comment it. Okay, so let's run our project and see how our calculator is looking right now. Okay, so you can see that our calculator is almost, its front end is really nice. So like we write 1 written there, we like 2, 3, 4, 0, 5. So you can see everything is getting written there. Okay, so with the option for clicking here also, and this rest button won't work because we haven't assigned any backend part to it. All right, so let's close it for now and let's move to the next part. In the next part, what we are going to do, we are just going to focus on this symbols means these operators, what operation we need to perform in this. Okay, so let's start with exponential. So just open this part, and then here we will be using a very value double t equals mat dot exp. Okay, exp means it will give the exponential value, then double dot parse double, inside will be passing the value present, jtext field 1 dot get text. This will give us the value present there. Okay, so and then what we'll be doing, that will be clearing the screen. Sorry for yeah, we'll be clearing the screen so that we can print the output. So we'll just set text to null, so nothing can be displayed. Yeah, it will be one here. And now j text field one dot set text, jtext field 1 jtext field 1 dot jtext field 1 dot get text, and here we'll be adding t. Sorry, yeah, this small t. All right, any problem? No problem is there. So this one we are done with our exponential part. Okay, so next we will be doing our next button. So sorry, yeah, design part will clicking. Okay, so this decimal was left. All right, so we'll be putting this decimal. So just copy paste the previous part and with a dot here. All right, so next one will be doing this one with sign. So design sign, yeah, exponential done with sign now. So what we'll be doing here is simply similarly as we did in the previous part. Okay, what we did, we first took a variable. Okay, you can give it any name. I will be giving it t. Then we, using the math function of Java, we will be calculating the sign value. Okay, sign value of what? We need to give a particular input, and that input is given by the user, and the input is in the form of string. Okay, so we'll be using parse double here. All right, and the string we'll be passing is j text field. Why j text field? Cause the input will be entered in the text part. Okay, so that input will be fetched here using the get text function, and that will be passed to mat.sign. Hope it's very clear to you. It's not that complex, no rocket science, it's damn easy. So the next part will be going with jtext field 1 dot set text. Here we'll be just setting the entire screen to null. Null means it will be set to empty, and then j text field 1 dot set text, the bracket j text field 1 dot get text, and there will be attaching t with it. All right, so what's the problem here? Yeah, g is capital. All right, so we are done with this. Now similarly we'll be moving on with different buttons. Simply copy paste it. Okay, so let's continue this in the next video. I'll be trying to make shorter videos so that you guys are clear with what we are doing. So let's meet in the next video.